Set refresh rate for each individual application. Turn on Show Refresh Rate in Developer Options. Real-time refresh rate. In any applications. Open Galaxy Store. Find and install Good Guardians. Install Battery Guardian. Standard refresh rate apps. Choose which apps you want to use in the standard refresh rate. Select apps you want. Add it. In selected application, refresh rate keeps at 60 Hz. Help save more battery. Other tasks are still normal at 120 Hz. Limited to selected applications only. When it is off, applications return to defaults. Thanks for watching video.